Animal alphabets. A for alligator. B for bear. C for cow. D for dog. E for elephant. F for frog. G for giraffe. H for horse. I for iguana. J for jaguar. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for narwhal. O for octopus. P for penguin. Q for queen bee. R for raccoon. S for snake. T for turtle. U for oriole. V for vulture. W for whale. X for X-ray fish. Y for yawl. Z for zebra. Please like, share and subscribe.